Good morning, children. How are you? Are you safe at home? In the previous class, what we are discussed? Properties of solid shapes and nets. Are you do all problems? Good. Then today we are looking. I have some cars. One car is there. I have one car is there. Look. In which side you are looking? Front side. You are seeing the front side? Yes. Then which side are you looking? Back side. Yeah, it's back side. So what is today's topic? Yes, views of an object. Views of an object. Our topic is views of object. Views of object. Then how many views are there? Top view, side view and front view. From this car, this is which view? When we are standing this car, when we are looking this side, when we are seeing this side is from the top view. Top view. From the top view, from you see an object from the top side. Okay. Then this is front view. Front view. Front, front view. Then what is this view? Side view. This is top view. This is side view. This is front view. Okay. Look this box. I have one box is there. Which view this? Huh? Yes, top. Top view. Then this is side view. And this is which view? Front view. Okay. So now you got it how to draw the front view, side view and back view. How to draw the front view, side view and top view. Okay. If you have any one glass is with you. You want to draw a side view of a glass. Glass. When we are drinking water. So that like one glass you want to draw. Side view. Draw. Can you draw? Very good. How you draw? This is side view. Side view of glass. What is the top view of glass? This only. Is it? This only the top view. Then front view. This is also same like this. Front view. Okay. You want to draw. You want to draw. This is extra work. You want to draw 5 things from your surrounding. You collect 5 things. Top view, front view and side view. You want to draw top view, front view and side view of how many objects? 5 objects from your surrounding. From your surrounding, you want to draw front view, top view and side view of the 5 objects. Okay. Then, next, are you have Rubik cube? Rubik cube. Then what is the top view of that cube? This slide. This is a top view. Then can you say how many total small cube with that Rubik cube? Rubik's cube. Top. In top, how many small cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then down, how many? Down, 9. Then how many sides are there? 4 sides are there. In each side have 9 cubes. So total side, total how many? 9, 4 into 9, 36. Then total how many small cubes are there? 9 plus 9 plus 36. What is that? 54. Very good. 54 small cubes are there. Okay. Then next we want to talk about views of a square grids. Next our topic is views of a square grids. Views of a square grid. Views of a square grid. Next our topic is views of a square grid. Okay, look here. In this square grids, look this figure. In this square grid, which side we can see now? Side view. In how many small squares are there? 12 small squares are there. The next is square grid. Which side we can see now? Top side. Then how many small squares are there in top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Top also 12 small square grids. Okay. Then we will discuss some problems from your textbook. Page number 41. If you draw the front and top and side view of a mobile phone, which view will be the biggest? So you want to draw the front view, top view and side view of a mobile phone and find out which view is biggest. Then second question, draw the top, front and side views of each object. Then notebook. You want to draw notebook, top view, front view and side view. Ball and ice cream cone. Then third question, look at the 3 views. Name the object shown. Here 3 views are given. So you want to say the names of the object. Lesson 4, views on square grids. How many squares do you see in the top, front and side views of this figure? From here top view, side view and front view is given. So you want to find how many square is here. Second, draw the top, front and side views of each object on a square grid. So here you want to draw the top and side view of each object of a square grid. Here some square grids are given. You want to draw the top view, front view and side views. The next, suppose we draw one of the objects in question 2 on a square grid. The total number of square on the grid we shade is 20. The total number of grid is 20. Which of the objects in Q2 did we draw? What is the actual number of cube in that object? Here some object 20 square we can color in one color. So that is you want to find the actual number of square in that grid. Okay, then workbook. Page number 34. Take the top view of the car. From here, some views are given. You want to take the top view. Draw the top, side and front views of the box. Here one box is given. You want to draw top view here, side view and front view here. Look at the three views of an object. What object will you get on combining these three views? Draw and show. Here side view, front view and top view is given. You want to find which object is that. You want to draw that figure. Look at the three views of an object and name it. Here some views are given. You want to find the names of an object. Then page number 35. Views on square grids. Look at the three objects made of cubes. This three objects made of a cube. Write the number of cubes used to make each object. How many number of cubes are used here? Then make the structure using unit cubes. Look at it from the top, side and front and draw the views of on the grid. Here one figure is given. So you want to draw the top view here, side view here and front view here. Okay, then look at these three views of an object. How many cubes will be needed to make the object? And here three views, top view, side view and front view is given. Here top view is written. So this is top view, side view and front view. Okay, then you want to draw the object. Here object is given. You want to draw the side view, front view and top view. Here three views are given. You want to draw the shape of an square grids. Okay, today we are discussed views of an object and views of a square grids. Then we will check it how which types of the top view, front view and side views of each objects. I hope all are understand this section. Have a nice day. Thank you.